See what you're looking at me. All eyes on me when I do my thing. I got what you want, got what you need. Got you what you like, what you see. Te gusta the way I move, the way I do, the things I do. Te gusta the way I shine, the way I glow. I'm inferno. Te gusta when I burn it up, turn up the heat, light it up. Te gusta. Me gusta. I like it, yeah. Me gusta. I like it, yeah. I like it just like that, yeah. Me gusta. I like it, yeah. Me gusta.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally Mary here. Today we are turning up the heat. Y'all, this video is about to be so fire. Let me tell you, summertime is the perfect time to try different hair colors. And instead of damaging your own natural hair, y'all, I have a bomb unit that I'm going to show you guys that is going to get your hair together. It's going to look so natural, so beautiful, and it's affordable. Can we go ahead and like this video just for that alone? So this unit is from Nadula Hair. It's a 13x4 lace front unit, and it is in a blonde highlight color, and the color is so rich, so beautiful. And y'all, it looks so much better in person than I saw on the website. Right out of the package, the hair was so soft, and I was so surprised by that, being that it's color treated hair. I thought it would probably be dry and stiff, but it was none of that. This unit does have 4 inches of parting space, and the lace on the unit right out of the package look really good, but I am going to show you guys how to tint it so that it better matches your skin tone. To be honest, I was a bit nervous about what this color would look like on me, but I was so surprised that it looks so good against my skin tone. I could not believe it. I've actually tried a highlight unit in the past, but nothing this rich and bright, so I was so ready to try it on. So that's what we're going to do now. So I'm going to start by putting on a stocking cap. This one is a bit light, so I am going to color correct by using the 3D face creator, and this is something that's quick and easy that you can always do to your stocking caps. Just add your foundation color, and that will help it to better match your scalp. After completing this process, it's time to try the unit on, and I could not wait. Once I slid it forward, I was in awe of how beautiful this unit looks. I shared in the past that I would always shy away from brighter colors because I didn't think they looked good on me, but it would look good on any skin tone, whether you're light skin, dark skin. This color is just so rich, so radiant, and I love it. I could not stop looking at it. And I love that the hairline has already been pre-plucked, and it gives a good amount of coverage for somebody like me who has a low hairline. Now I'm going to put it on the mannequin head to give you all a better view of what the unit looks like, and I'm sure you guys can see the highlights a little better, and that the dominating color for this unit is brown, and then it has honey blonde highlights. Now in the past, whenever I've done blonde, I've always done it paired with black, but this was a nice change for me. And on the website, the curls do look a bit more wavy, but I'm going to show you guys how to define them and make them look more curly. So we're going to wash the unit first. Y'all know I always start there. I'm going to be using my Aussie 7-in-1 conditioner, and I'm also going to be using my Felicia Leatherwood brush. Now I've already wet the hair down with water. I'm going to apply the conditioner to the hair and then define it with my brush, and then I'm going to actually go in and diffuse the hair using my blow dryer. Curly texture like this that isn't kinky curly, I would naturally just leave in a little bit of the conditioner and that would act as a styler. But because this is color treated hair, I want to add a bit more moisture back into the hair. So I'm going to be using the Curl Refresher by Aussie. I'm going to spray this on. This is kind of like a leave-in conditioner, and it does have jojoba oil and argan oil in it. So I'm spraying that on there, and I like to follow it up with my detangling brush in order to define the curls. After doing this, I'm going to turn the unit over and begin tinting the lace, and I'm going to do this with my 3D face creator Creator as well as my Sally Hansen airbrush spray, and I'm going to spray that spray on the brush and then stipple that onto the lace.
Hit me when you lonely. She might be the one when it's only, yeah. You just gotta call me. Baby, you deserve it all, see. Cause you're in there, honey, cause she too sweet. She told me, baby, don't you ever leave me lonely. I told her we ain't got no problem, they don't know me. Wear my love like a necklace, I'm your gold link. I met my baby in LA. I'm just kidding, back in town. On my dreams, I never know what I would get to know her. Honey brown, God's grace and a smile, I love her. I've been sick of dreaming every day, I love her. I'll find her when I find myself again, I love her. Heaven comes to earth when she round. So when I'm out of town, she on my mind like a crown. Cause her in there, honey, cause she too sweet. She told me, baby, don't you ever leave me lonely. I told her we ain't got no problem, they don't know me. Wear my love like a necklace, I'm your gold link. That's why I'm in there, honey.
Alright, y'all, now it's time to install this beauty. Now that the lace has been cut off, y'all, it looks so great, and I feel like I could have worn the unit glueless. I could have just added an elastic band, so that's a good option for those who do not desire to glue the unit down or apply any gel or anything. Now, I am going to be using a spray, but I'll show you guys that in a moment. And you could also go in and bleach the knots, which will make it look even more natural, but I feel like the method that I used made it look really good, and it was quick and easy and sufficient for me. Right now, I'm going to show you guys how I chunk the curls and make the unit look even more lush. So I'm going to go in with my Melanin Hair Care leave-in conditioner. I'm going to apply this to sections of the hair just on the ends, and I'm just going to coil it around my finger, and then I'm going to diffuse the curls using my blow dryer and diffuser attachment.
Are you ready? Are you ready? There's no escape, don't look away. Something is coming now, it's on the way. It's going down, feel it right now. Lost in the rhythm of color and sound. This is unreal, strange and surreal. This is the future and I got the feel. Make you say oh, make you say wow. It's all right here and right now. Jaw dropping, eye popping, jaw dropping. Are you ready for this now? Jaw dropping, eye popping. No stopping. Are you ready for this now? Jaw dropping. Jaw dropping. Eye popping. Take a look at me now. Jaw dropping. Are you ready for this now? I feel it shake like an earthquake. I watch the ground as it's starting to break. Crumbling down, here it comes now. Crashing like waves of color and sound. Like anything you've ever seen. Something like magic inside of a dream. Better get up, get ready to go. Better get ready for more. Jaw dropping, eye popping, jaw dropping. Are you ready for this now? Jaw dropping, eye popping. No stopping. Are you ready for this now? Jaw dropping. Jaw dropping. Eye popping. Take a look at me now. Jaw dropping. Are you ready for this now? Oh no. Are you ready? Are you ready for this now? Jaw dropping, eye popping, jaw dropping. Are you ready for this now? Jaw dropping, eye popping, no stopping. Are you ready for this now? Jaw dropping, jaw dropping. Eye popping. Take a look at me now. Jaw dropping. Are you ready for this now? Jaw dropping.
Y'all, how stunning does this look? Ah! It looks so good. I just love it. Now you could wear it just like this. It looks really great before actually using my pick to fluff it, but you all know I love volume. So I'm gonna go in and create volume, and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished results.
I'm having the time of my life. Everything is going alright. Ooh, I just made them look twice. This is how it feels when you living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. Good, good life. I'ma do me, I can't do it no different. Gold shades tinted, yeah, I got the right vision, yeah. I won't let you down, we about to paint the town. Got the people all around, we been surfing on the crown, yeah. We them cool kids with the roof down. Yeah, we let loose, so lighten up, break the rules now. Yeah, we wild out the house with the tunes loud. On top of the clouds, looking round. Yo, how we ever getting down? Oh, I'm just going with the flow. Hey, you just gotta let me know. I think that it's about that time to go. One time for the gram, no. Go ahead, strike the pose. Got the city on lock. They ain't seen nothing like it.
Y'all, I am so impressed with this unit. It looks so good. And I love that with this particular look, I didn't actually have to line my lips today. I never go without lined lips, but I just put on this lip gloss that I'm showing you guys right now. And it looks so, so good with this look. I might do this quite often. I love that it looks so natural. I actually look kind of tanned with this hairstyle. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. It's kind of giving me like a suntan look. I don't know, but I love it. So this is what the curls look like up close. I love how chunky they are on the ends. Try coiling them around your fingers, guys. You all definitely need to try this technique. I love it. I do it on most of my curly units and it looks so, so great. So now I'm going to show you all a side part and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in a ponytail. Nadula Hair is also having a sale until the 13th, I believe. I have a kinky curly headband wig from them and it's so bomb. I love their unit. They're affordable and good quality wigs. So you all should definitely check them out. And you all let me know which one you like best. Do you like the middle part? Do you like the side part? Give me your feedback down below. Follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. Check the description. I'll have all the links and specifications for this hair. I love you guys and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.
Yeah, got the whole spot popping. Ooh, it gets so exciting. Had the time of your life. Can I get that in writing? Hey, and tell them everybody invited. I'm having the time of my life. Everything is going alright. Made them look twice. This is how it feels when you living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. I'm just living that good, good life. Good, good life. It's not exaggerated, I just had to say it. Look how we graduated. I'm so glad you made it, cause we got all that we wanted. Couldn't hate if they wanted to. We live it without a limit. Yeah, we do what we wanna do now. Throw your hands up one time. They think that we lost our minds. Well, maybe we did. Maybe that's just how we live. Maybe that's all that we want. Maybe it is what it is. Cause we're just living our life. That's a life we're living.